And how did you feel getting selected as the representative for band?
I was shocked and like nervous.
Well, congratulations. Hi, I'm here with Yumi Chang. And how did you feel about getting selected for UIL?
I was very proud and happy. I really wanted to be selected for UIL.
Well, you look beautiful and congratulations. Thank you. Hi, I'm here with
Jaden.
And how did you feel about getting selected to represent the gaming club?
I was honored to be homecoming rep. It was really fun at the moment. Like, I loved it.
Well, congratulations and you look beautiful. Hi, I'm here with
Charlotte.
And how do you feel about representing football?
I feel good. I mean, since I played it, it makes me feel better, like running and then like getting first runner up, because like it makes me feel special because it's football.
Yeah. Congratulations and you look beautiful tonight. Thank you. Hi, I'm here with
Jackie.
Consuelo. Kareli.
And how did it feel just being in the moment, getting selected, the pep rally, being in the field?
You know, it was kind of nerve-wracking, but like I got over it.
It was cool. I had a lot of fun and I'm glad that I get to spend it with a lot of people that I love.
I feel like getting selected was like really overwhelming because I didn't think I was gonna get chosen, but after I felt like good about it, so yeah.
Well, congratulations to all of you guys and you guys look beautiful tonight. Hi, I'm here with
Anna.
And how do you feel about getting selected for Homecoming Queen?
I feel really grateful and thankful for everyone that voted for me.
That's awesome and you look beautiful and congratulations.
Good morning, Miss Salinas. Why do you think you became a teacher?
I became a teacher because I believe in the right to education above all, and I became a reading teacher because I know reading is something people struggle with, and I want to help make it as easy as possible.
What do you love about teaching?
Honestly, I love interacting with students. I like making reading as fun as I can, and I like coming to work. I like seeing smiling faces and making people smile.
What would you like this school to add or change?
I mean, Trotman is as good as it gets, A-rated campus. We are amazing, but maybe add more passing time. I feel like 3 minutes is not a lot.
And finally, what is your teaching philosophy?
My teaching philosophy is that I, as a teacher, should do the best I can to the best of my abilities to make sure each student is able to learn, make my classroom a comfortable environment, be available for any questions, and reteach when possible. So always the students, always focus on the students.
Thank you, Miss Salinas, for talking to us today.
Guys, if you've been feeling down recently, don't worry. Tomorrow's Unity Day. Unity Day is held every year on either the third or fourth Wednesday of National Bullying Prevention Month in October. The goal of the day is to bring together youth, parents, educators, businesses, and community members across the nation to emphasize the message that bullying is not acceptable and that all students deserve to be safe in school, online, and in the community. The call to action is simple. Wear and share the color orange as a visible representation of the supportive, universal message that our society wants to prevent bullying, build community, and is united for kindness. Unity Day is held during October, and orange is a color commonly identified with safety and visibility. Guys, don't forget to wear orange. Thank you. Hey, what are you doing on the 25th?
Oh, I'm going to the trunk or treat.
What's that?
Why don't you ask Mr. Moreno?
We have an exciting trunk or treat coming along the way. So one of the ideas with a trunk or treat is that in middle school, you're not allowed to dress up. Well, we decided to bring Halloween here to TMS. So we're gonna have a trunk or treat on the 25th after hours from 6:30 till about 8:30, give or take, maybe 9. I got to get the dates for you. But all our teachers and departments are going to dress up with a theme, passing out free candies. Along the way, we're still going to be selling some goodies, some snacks, some food, so that everybody can have a good time, family community, family fun. And again, it's just another opportunity for you guys to hang out with your friends outside of school. Trunk or treat, 25th, spooky scary.
This week's 8th grade teacher of the week is Mr. David Salinas.
Hello, everyone.
Mr. Salinas, what made you want to be a teacher?
Well, I was good at helping my college friends in math, and so I liked the feeling that they were being successful, so that's why I decided to become a teacher.
What do you think makes you a good teacher?
I think what makes me a good teacher is, the passion I have for the subject. I just love math. I love teaching it. I like giving that information to my students.
And how long have you worked at TMS?
I've worked here. This is my 23rd year. You know, just like I tell my students, I bleed blue and orange.
And what 2 subjects do you teach?
I teach Algebra 1 and I teach 8th grade math.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm here with.
Adara Garza.
And how did you feel about getting selected to represent Shorthorn Media?
I felt very honored and like, wait.
It's okay, we can restart.
I felt very honored and
Represent the gaming club.
I felt
will receive a special treat. Show Chapman cookies. Bye.